Hi, what's up? I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be sharing with you what I received in the daily goodie box for the month of March, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. But first, let me just tell you that in the description box I have the links for all the products if you would like to check those out, as well as a link to the website and Facebook page for Daily Goodie Box, so you can sign up and also perhaps receive one of these boxes. So to start, I have this Teami Alive tea bag. So this has 15 individual tea bags, and I believe that these are the kind of mesh style ones that are biodegradable. It doesn't say so, but I've had these previously and they weren't biodegradable in a different brand. And this is just a simple tea made of ginger, honey, lemongrass, which I love the essential oil lemongrass, and green tea. And it's of course caffeinated because it has green tea. It is a product of Hong Kong, and their tip says that Teami Alive has a tinge of spicy sweetness due to its ginger honey content. If you want it to be sweet, you can add a little bit more of sugar. So I think that the spicy sweetness would taste delicious, and this is compliant on many diets such as AIP and paleo. So I can totally drink this for caffeinated wonderfulness. Okay, then I also got these, and this you can see I did already open. This is the Prince and Spring Ginger Chews, and this is the lychee flavor. Lychee is so good. If you haven't had it, I recommend it. They have it for a very limited time in like Asian, Indian grocery stores. So these are individually packaged, adorable little ginger chews, and the ingredients include cane sugar, ginger, tapioca starch, virgin coconut oil, and lychee flavor. The source of the lychee flavor is a mystery here. Otherwise, it has pretty simple ingredients, and it tastes absolutely delicious. You do taste the lychee. It's pretty subtle, but there's definitely a delicious ginger spiciness, and it's not overly spicy. Out of the other ginger chews that I've tried, this is actually the most delicious one. Okay, moving on, I also got this Prince and Spring Almond, Cranberry, Fruit, and Nut Bar. So this one is a fruit and nut bar that has macadamia nuts and cranberries and coconut and a little bit of soy in case you're allergic to that. It's not the most healthy bar because it does have those little like rice flour crisps and a decent amount of sugar, but I am sure that this would taste good because it has almonds and cranberries, and gotta love cute packaging. I'm obsessed with packaging. And there is one more Prince and Spring item in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and talk about that one. This is the Prince and Spring Stellar Seltzer. No calories, no sweeteners, no sodium. It is the lemon flavor. Look at this fancy, like prom-esque packaging over here. So this has carbonated water and natural flavors. No sweetener added. I really appreciate that, although natural flavors is always a skeptical situation for me. Okay, moving on. So next thing we have here, this is Tiger Balm Active Pain Relieving Muscle Spray. Easy to apply for hard to reach areas. So this spray I'm expecting to work. I'm excited to use it on my knees because my knees usually hurt after I work my long nursing shifts. This has menthol, camphor, and methyl salicylate. I know menthol is really soothing. This is what the spray looks like. It has like a kind of a weird scent. It's probably just the mixture of the ingredients. That is very cool. Okay. Then I also got Blister Balm. This is the second time that I've actually gotten the Blister Balm, and I haven't really had a chance to use it. So it's 100% natural ingredients, which is true. I verified the ingredients on the back. They are indeed natural, and it has 1% menthol as an analgesic effect. So the purpose of this is to relieve pain and itching associated with cold sore and fever blisters. But I bet because it just has menthol, if you have any sort of type of rash, you might be able to use this. I get these little eczema related rashes, which aren't dry or anything. It's just like kind of like a red flat soreness on my neck sometimes. So I bet that this would work well with that because it's jojoba and it works for pain and itching. So I might just go ahead and try this on that the next time that happens. Okay, moving on. Ooh. This is the Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Mask. So they sent a face moisturizing cream in like the previous box, and now this is a really cool mask. Of course, check out that super glitzy metallic packaging. So this is a mask that features MTHV complex. It is a single-use 70% cotton, 30% polyester face mask, and the purpose of this is basically to be used once a week. It's a therapeutic application, ideally after extreme environmental exposure, like maybe if you went to the sun or something, or like really wind. And basically it is supposed to make your skin feel better and smooth out any red lines and like micro wrinkles that may have occurred from this exposure to bad weather. And the last thing, I don't want to say it's the best for last because everything here is really cool, but this is Cate and Chloe adorable little jewelry box, and when you open it up, surprise, there's a beautiful set of cubic zirconia and 18 karat white gold plating earrings. So these are sold on their website, but you can also get a matching set on Amazon. And these actually remind me of this other pair of earrings that I got. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous, super shiny. So excited to wear these. Okay, so that was everything inside the box for the month of March. There's a bunch of other little tickets and coupons and such in here that they always send, so that way you can try out the products if you, you can actually purchase them if you like them. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Check out the links in the description box. Hope you have a nice day. Bye!